This next release feature involves items, which can be used directly in order entry, inventory, and purchasing. You now have the ability to upload, store, and view attachments directly on the item record inside Intacct. These can include things like images, PDF files, installation guides, which seems simple, but is very beneficial for users that need access to this type of information, especially related to inventory items or installation guides, or they have the ability, they need to send supporting documentation when they're sending out a quote or a purchase order for that item, and this now gives you that ability. Let's take a look. You can go directly into the item records throughout the system in Sage Intacct. I'm going to go right into top level at the inventory under items. And if we pull up an item, you'll see there'll be a new field for attachments now. I'm going to do a quick search on my item that I want to add something specifically for. And so I have an electrical panel. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now you'll notice you have an attachment function right here. Now, if I want to add an attachment, I'll go over to Edit. And I'll have the ability, just like you do throughout Intacct and other areas, to add attachments. You can add and view them right here. You can browse and attach them manually through your browser. You can also drag and drop. So for example, I have a picture of the panel on my left screen. I'm going to go ahead and drag that over, and I'm going to drop the attachment right in here. And also I have a PDF file, which is the installation instruction manual for that attachment. I'm going to take that PDF and I'm also going to drag it up there as well. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So now if we go back and take a look at that item again, once I'm on the item, I have this attachment screen. I can do this in the view mode or the edit mode, but if I'm just in the view mode and I want to view the attachments that are there, if I click on it, it's going to show me that I actually have 2 attachments there. So I can easily come into here and open up the picture file if I want to see a picture of the item, or if I want to actually get the PDF, it'll open up the PDF instruction manual. So those attachments will now stay on the item record. They're available via API to view as well, and they will be available to retrieve all throughout the system. So they'll become very useful in Sage Intacct. Thank you.